やったはあ、ようやく人のいる街に来られたよ。ラッキーラッキー。ボンジュール。いい香り。まさにハニーって感じですな、これは。というわけでかはーうまうま、これ激うま。生きててよかった。
ママがおもちゃ買ってくれるってんだぞ。早くしなきゃ。
うまいよな、これ。本当うまいよ。どうしてこんな。
答えになってないわ。ちゃんと言ってくれないとわからないじゃない。お願いだからあなたの言葉でちゃんと教えて。
奴がいる限り死んでも死にきれない。ナイブズがいる限り。
ナイブズ？
僕の兄弟だ。
あ、この人泣いてる。大人のくせに。
いけないかい。誰だって泣きたい時ぐらいあるさ。
A populated city at last. Sure feels good to see happy people around again. It's a lucky, lucky day. Bonjour, Jetem. That smells great. What a heavenly aroma. Smells like little cakes made from honey. And without further ado, this is incredible. Super tasty. It's so good to be alive.
Come back! Mom says she's gonna buy some new toys. Hurry up!
These are good. These are really good. Why are they so...
I asked you an important question and I expect a decent answer. I need to understand. Please, for once, I need you to be honest with me.
As long as he lives, I could never die honorably. As long as Knives is alive.
Whose knives?
My brother, I'm sorry to say.
Hey, this guy's crying. Yeah, and he's a grown-up.
Is there something wrong with that?
Ay! Kumakasakala po walang bayan na may mababait na tao. Okay to. Hello, Donut! Minsan talaga mas masarap na may donut kaysa sa girlfriend. It's Merienda time! Wow! Ang sarap-sarap talaga ng donut! Wala na nga po ng donut!
Teka, sabi ni Mami, bibili niya rin tayo ng laruan eh.
Sarap din ito. Bakit ba? Hindi na lang palagi ganito ang tuwin ko.
Ano bang klaseng sagot yan? Kapag hindi mo pinagtapat sa akin, hindi kita maunawaan. Pakiusap. Sabihin mo na sa akin ang totoo.
Habang nabubuhay ang taong yun, maraming mapapahamak. Ang pangalan niya ay Knives.
Knives?
Kapatid ko siya.
Ba't kaya umiyak ang mamang to? Umiyak din pala matatanda?
Bakit hindi? May oras naman na naiiyak ang lahat ng tao.